Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how I achieved this New Year's Eve nail set here, and I'm going to do the look from start to finish. It's super glittery and super sparkly, so everything you need for this kind of season, and I hope you enjoy. So first off, I'm going to grab my tips they are from Amazon and they're long coffin tips. And then I'm going to grab my Madame Glam Enchanted Blue. So this is from the House of Reflections collection, which was their December collection, and the glitters in this collection are so beautiful. I have a swatch video of them and they are stunning. So I did use the red for my own Christmas set, which I do have a video on this channel as well. And I was yet to use the blue, so I was so excited to incorporate it into this design here. Also going to use the Manicure Company's Ulterior Motive, which is this blue here. It's a lovely royal blue with a shimmer going through it, and it is perfect for this time of year. So I'm going to do 2 coats of each, curing in between, and I'm just going to let you watch me do the coats, and then I'm going to come back for the next part of the design. So I'm recording this nail set between Christmas and New Year's, and I had a lovely Christmas. I'm so full of food and drinks and chocolate and everything else, all that bad stuff. So I'm just looking forward to now being a little bit healthy over the next few days. And if you celebrated Christmas, I hope you had a really, really good one as well. I can't wait for New Year's, and I'm just getting in these New Year's Eve nail sets before the big day. This is the second coat of those polishes, and then I'm going to go in with the Studio Gel from the Gel Bot Link. So this is their mirror chrome gel, and I'm just going to go in with a really fine liner brush and start drawing on the champagne glass. So just 2 thin lines here from the side. I'm just going to draw them from the side so it looks like the glass is kind of nearly tipping over a little bit. So 2 thin lines just beside each other to start off with, and I'm not sure if I would recommend this gel. It does get dulled a lot by the top coat, so when you put the top coat on, it does take away a lot of the shine. Now, I do know that happens to a lot of mirror chrome gels, so if anyone can recommend a good one, please comment it down below, because this was quite expensive and I don't know if I would necessarily repurchase it again. But it'll do for this kind of stuff, especially for nail art, and that I do like it for certain elements of nail art. So here I'm just drawing the rest of the glass, and this is, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop in the glitter at the bottom of the glass and kind of have it look like it's tilted sideways a little bit. But yeah, this is me just drawing the rest of the glass and using that chrome gel. I'm actually not curing in between just yet. I'm just drawing the whole glass, and then if I feel like I need to fix a little bit, if like any of the edges are a little bit thicker or anything like that, I can just kind of fix it before it's cured. So here's a perfect example. I kind of got a little bit too much product there on the edge of the rim, so I just made the whole rim a little bit thicker. And yeah, so that's why I kind of like taking my time with nail art like this. It just means you can fix it a little bit if you make mistakes before it actually goes into the lamp. So next up, I'm going to grab the Madame Glam tinsel. So this is also from the House of Reflections collection, and this is their holographic silver, which is absolutely gorgeous. Also going to add in some loose glitter. So this is a kind of a mix. It has medium, fine, and then hexies. And I'm just going to add the glitter with my detailer brush into the bottom half of the glass, and then just kind of pull it up sideways, so it does look like the glass is kind of tilted sideways. And once I finish that, then I'm going to just drag it up slightly with my brush, just kind of like nearly like you're ombreing it a tiny bit. So just kind of dragging it up with the brush and kind of doing small little dots with the rest of the product, so it just looks like it's nearly tippling over a little bit. And then with the same brush, I'm just going to use this to dip into my glitter pot, and I'm going to pick up some of the bigger pieces of glitter. So I'm not going to wipe off this brush. I'm just going to use the silver gel that's on it and dip it into the pot just like that and pick up some bigger pieces of glitter. So for this nail, I'm just going to do a candy cane effect, and I'm drawing on those lines with the tinsel shade from Madame Glam. And I'm just going to let you watch this because it's pretty self-explanatory, but again, with this, I kind of like add and take away if I need to. I'm not going to cure too much in between. I'm just going to do the lines and then fix whatever I need to fix at the end. So if some are a bit thinner, I will just add it on the product at the end just before it goes into the lamp. Now I decided to add in some little polka dots onto this nail because I felt like it just wasn't finished. I felt like there was too much space left at the bottom of the nail. So I just went in with the shade tinsel again and added in some polka dots all over the nail. And I felt like it really helped pull this design together. Now finishing off with the Madame Glam No Wipe top coat and giving a nice generous amount over the nail art especially. This is how they turned out. I'm so happy with this nail set. Let me know if you like these down below. I'm just going to file the edges here of my nails as these are press on nails, so I'm going to just really file the edges once the top coat is on, taking away that nubby little look at the end. But if you made it this far, thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we have more nail tutorials just like this coming up in the very near future. But I'm so happy with this one. Let me know if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one.